You know, you really don't know having a quality extra virgin olive oil until you tasted it. So for years I've been consuming olive oil, thinking it's the real thing, not knowing any difference, um, until I actually tasted some really good olive oil. And I was like, what the heck is this? This is completely different than the bland stuff that I would get at Walmart or a grocery store in the US. When you actually taste a high quality extra virgin olive oil, you'll definitely notice the difference. And the reason why you need to consume extra virgin olive oil, like the real thing, is because it has some exceptional health benefits. And I recently did a video on the anti-inflammatory effect of extra virgin olive oil acting as a natural ibuprofen because of the chemical ocanthyl, which can help you if you have arthritis or bursitis or tendinitis or rheumatoid arthritis. But extra virgin olive oil has some additional phytochemicals that go way beyond just acting as an anti-inflammatory. And the compound called oleuropein turns into another compound called hydroxytyrosol, which is 20 times stronger than green tea. Now, of course, to get these amazing phytonutrients with all these great properties, you're going to have to get the real deal. You're going to have to get olive oil from Spain, Greece, Italy, Morocco, France, Portugal, Turkey, and Israel. And you're probably not going to find the kind that you really need in your local US grocery store. If you're in the US, you're probably going to have to order it online from one of these countries or go to a specialized store to get this. But this olive oil is quite amazing for your health. I would highly recommend putting it on your salad every single day, at least 2 to 3 or even 4 ounces. It has anti-inflammatory effects, antimicrobial effects, anti-thrombotic effects. It helps you prevent clotting, okay? Thins the blood. It also has anti-atherogenic properties, which prevent the formation of plaquing, like that cholesterol calcium plaquing. It has retinol protective properties, which protects against the retina in your eye, as well as anti-cancer properties, and it can protect you from UV radiation. And I think the best way to identify if it's the real deal is through its intense flavor and aroma. Hey, before you go, if you're benefiting from any of my content, I would love to hear about your success story. Please share it in the link down below.